Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this purple amethyst cutting board. I went ahead and picked out some colors like purples, pinks, golds, and got some amethyst stones, and I put them in a cup. Then I went ahead and mixed up some Artworks resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. You mix it for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then you add some to each cup and stir it for about a minute. I also wanted to mention before I started, I took some painter's tape and taped the underside of the board to prevent the resin drips from sticking to it. Don't forget, anytime you're working with resin, you want to use a respirator mask and gloves. It's very important. Now that I have everything mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and start laying down my resin in any kind of design that I want. This gold that I'm using the brand is Mehron, M-E-H-R-O-N. I got it on Amazon, and what I love about it is when you hit it with the torch, it spreads out. Every so often, I'm going to take a butane torch and just go back and forth quickly, trying not to burn the resin. And what that does is it pops all of the air bubbles and gives it a smooth glass-like finish. Now I'm going to take these beautiful amethyst stones I have and just sprinkle them down in a line, trying not to get them to fall all over the place. Just take my stick and move them where I want them to stay. Let me go ahead and zoom in so you can see up close how pretty it is with the glitter in there and everything. I'm just going to let this dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to take the painter's tape off of the back, and it's done. Just a side note, if you make one of these boards, do not put them in the dishwasher. If you need to clean it, use a mild soap and a soft sponge. Thanks for watching my tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Bye.